And Houston ground, hello, LearJet 917 Papa Golf, badge signature, we're ready for taxi request 15 right.
917 Papa Golf, Houston ground, 15 right, taxi to Whiskey Charlie.
Okay, Whiskey Charlie 15 right for 917 Papa Golf, thank you. Okay, there you go, got 15 right. Okay, let's see, flight instruments are checked, radar as required, spoilers armed and retracted, flap set to 20, trims check 3 times. Trim 1, 2, and 3 checks. Cabin air to go. Cool, keep on.
Whiskey Golf, Whiskey Alpha,
Crew takeoff briefing.
Whiskey Golf, we're gonna take off runway 15 right. We have 9,000 feet available runway. I'm gonna climb to 600 feet and expect vectors to Bilba, which is next.
Okay.
BBC.
Okay.
And we limited with 4,000 feet.
Okay.
Okay, top altitude on departure procedure 16,000.
So it's gonna be, okay, so it's gonna be a nav Alps out of here.
Yes. Go around heading.
There you go.
Alps.
November Bravo, hold short, November Echo.
Okay, doke. So, no questions there. And complete.
Yeah, just standard call-outs. If anything happens, below 18 knots we're gonna abort. 18 knots to V1 we're gonna continue.
Okay.
Except of engine failure, engine fire, loss of directional control, TR deploy. Above V1 we're gonna continue up to 1500 AGL and I will call for emergency checklist.
You got it.
The weight is 21,000 approximately, so we're gonna burn some fuel before landing.
You got it.
Shuttle 6121, monitor tower 127.3.
His release transponder is on, left and right pitot heat is on. Okay, and any assistance as required.
Have a good day.
Lights, ignition, APR on the roll, annunciator lights, cabin air.
15 Houston Tower, just advice and ready.
Thermal lab checks, please.
Excellent.
And departure just to confirm, tower just to confirm for 917 Papa Golf. What's the departure frequency?
November 917 Papa Golf, line up and wait. Departure frequency will be 132.25.
13225, line up and wait. 225. See, that's one way of doing it. Okay, my man, runway heading.
November 917 Papa Golf, preceding traffic, the E175 upwind off the parallel runway is southeastbound. Turn left, heading 360, runway 15 right, cleared for takeoff.
Okay, left turn 360, clear for takeoff for 917 Papa Golf.
Ready?
1429.
Okay, left turn 360, okay?
Left turn.
Line up and wait.
15 right.
Take off.
United 14.
Roger.
American 1315 Houston Tower, just
Full
advice
land
and ready.
stable, APR is on. Airspeed alive.
6121,
Check.
contact departure, good day.
Over departure, shuttle 6121.
80 checks and coming up on V1.
V1.
Rotate. Positive rate.
You're up.
Yes, sir.
United 1429, RNAV to JLO, runway 15
B2
right,
plus 20.
cleared for takeoff.
RNAV JL,
Flaps up.
Flaps up.
1429.
Heading 360,
United
right?
825 Houston Tower, wind 140 at 10,
Yeah, just
runway
give me your
15
damper.
right, line up and wait.
Runway 15 right, United 825.
600.
4304, RNAV to Cartman, runway 15 left, cleared for takeoff.
AC 4304, RNAV Cartman 15 left, clear for takeoff.
And just confirm one more time, that's left turn 360 for 917 Papa Golf.
LearJet 7 Papa Golf, affirmative, left turn heading 360. Air Shuttle 6020 Houston Tower, wind 140 at 9er, runway 15 left.
There you go.
MCT mode.
Landing.
Continue.
Spoilers unlocked, all reverse.
100.